Okay, so I wasn't gonna show the pillow paint anymore because apparently nobody likes to watch it, but it's super duper important if you're actually trying to learn this. If you're not trying to learn, you're just watching for fun, then yeah, the pillow paint. Boring. But if you're trying to learn it, you pay attention to the pillow paint. That's one of the things that got me stuck for a minute because nobody really talks about the pillow paint. Anyways, I'm still gonna show it in this one because I'm going for this. I'm gonna do black here, rest white, so that can be a whole thing. I'm gonna narrate this. I'm actually probably gonna do the whole beginning of this, me talking up front, so I don't know really what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, so here. Okay, and now it's pillow time. This is the time that everybody hates to watch because it's boring, but it's important to know because pillow is everything. I have a love-hate with that damn pillow. And on this one, I'm doing an experiment. So I'm using my Glidden Premium Base 1 mixed with American Floetrol. It's my standard pillow. But I'm also going to add in a dark pillow because I love what the white cell activator does with it. I'm still trying to perfect it, so you know it's a whatever. But that one I'm using like Amsterdam paint, Liquitex paint, Obsidian to get that shimmer, Glidden Premium Base 3, which is the tintable version, still American Floetrol. Just trying to get that same consistency, which is it's not an easy thing to do. Okay, and now it's time to lay down all these crazy colors I have in this weird twisted pattern. So we shall see how it goes. But I'm using this little piggy pigments. I got sapphire right there. I'm going to be using a lot of their opaque neons, which are awesome. And yeah, that's my jam. Neons and iridescence. So here we go. If you want to know all the colors I use, you can message me, or I usually put it in the description, but it's always this little piggy pigments, Liquitex, Decawart Extreme Sheen, maybe some folk art thrown in there, color shift. But yeah, I love me some neons and iridescence, and I love this little piggy pigments. I always get a little overzealous because I forget that when you spin and tilt, everything grows. So I feel like I need to start putting less, like smaller designs so it grows better. But, you know, I just get a little happy with all my stuff. I go a little overboard. That's my thing, I guess. But yeah, this one actually turned out pretty cool. Again, I just need to perfect that dark pillow. And we might be in some business here. Okay, and now here comes my favorite time, swipe time. So I use Amsterdam paint mixed with Australian Floetrol 1:1 ratio for my cell activator. I'm going to be using today Oxide black Amsterdam paint, titanium white Amsterdam paint, and turquoise green Amsterdam paint. Two major big swipes, or a few major big swipes, really. Two major ones, and then two little ones. And then I'm going to be doing like accent swipes with my turquoise green. Okay, and now it's time to spin and tilt, where it gets extra, extra messy. But, yeah, you always want to spin really, like, I'm going to speed it up, but usually the spinning is pretty darn slow. The tilting is even slower. So I'm going to speed this one on up for you guys. Okay, and here it is wet. I love the colors. I just wish that my darker pillow was a little bit tighter, but like I said, probably a little less, make my design smaller with my paints so it has more room to spread out and grow. But I do love this one. I can't wait to try it again. And it's definitely twisted. Twisted! Alright, and here it is dry. Okay, and here it is dry. It turned out pretty cool. I mean, I like it. Like I said, it just needs to be a little bit more like maybe smaller design so it has more room to grow. But I love the color shifts, and I love the unique, different colors. I'm trying to find a new way with like colors where I'm not just using rainbow all the time. But it is my fave. Anyways, and here it is in a silly TikTok.